Good morning, y'all, and it is Saturday morning. It's about 7:30. I don't know if you can see that. It's 7:30 a.m. and I am up getting ready to try to head out and do a little Instacarting. Yes, I do Instacarting when I want a little extra cash, I've been stuck in this house, and sometimes the Instacart is just good for me to get something to do. But it's actually a good way to make some extra money. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to see what batches. I've never shopped at, let's see, I never shopped at Costco before. And I don't know if I want to do Costco. This is 2 orders for $16. I can't see myself going to Costco for more than 40 bucks. These are the items that they want. Lots of fruits. I'm trying to see. It's 14 hour. It's 7 miles away for 16 bucks. No, I'm just gonna wait and see what else comes up before I head out. But in the meantime, what I'm going to go do is I am going to go and kind of clean out my damn car, because if I do have to go to Costco, I need to make sure this car is cleaned out. So I'm going to go down and take care of that. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I was able to get me a order, 27 excuse me, $27 from Ralph's. And yeah, so that's what's up. Anyway, my damn garage won't close. I don't know what's up with that. So I'll hit y'all back later. I've been Instacarting. I got in this car 8 a.m. It is now 12:05. I don't know if you could see that or not, but I'm waiting on more batches to become available. There's nothing. This batch right here is for Costco. I ain't trying to be in Costco for $11. They only got 10 items, but I'm sitting in Ralph parking lot hoping that I can get another Ralph order, because I only want to work until 1 today. It haven't been a good day as far as money is concerned. Earnings is real. I only made $34 plus. There's one that should be pending. Here. So I have another pending order. So I've been out since 8, and that order was about 20 bucks, so about $55. It says my active time is 2 hours and 12 minutes, which, I feel like that's not true. Because I'm spending about an hour at a time inside the store. Let me see what they got. Do they got a Ralph's? See, they got a Stater Brothers, but this Stater Brothers is like $10, and it's just not enough for 30 items. I'm about to sit right here until a Ralph order come up. I don't know if you guys see that. I'm about to sit here right here until a damn Ralph order come up. But that's what I'm waiting on, y'all. So my goal today was $100, at least between $100 and $150. But all these orders have been small today. Normally I can grab easily a couple of $25 orders or whatever. I was only able to get one $25 order, a $16 order, and two $16 orders. That's it. So, but I'm not going to go lower than that. So I'm going to wait. We'll see what's up. what's happening, because I ain't gonna be out here all day because it's hot. It's hot today. I had lashes when I left the house. I just took those suckers off because they was starting to hang. I need to go get me some more glue, because that glue is that I got is old, so it's definitely not, it's not adhering to anything. But yeah, I'm tired and I'm hungry. You know, I'm on this juice fast, and I had one juice today that I brought with me. So I told myself I'm gonna be back in the house between 1 and 2, probably more like 1, if I don't hurry up and another batch don't come up in here. Because I'm not going driving to Stater Brothers, which is, yeah. If I could have accepted both of those orders, I would have took them, but they too far away. It's only 2.2 miles. All right, y'all, so I'm going to see what I can get going. I'll let y'all know how I did. All right, y'all, I am done for today. Like I said, I started at 8. It was kind of slow. And I think today a lot of people are doing their own shopping, because the stores were super crowded. Not when I first started, but by 11 o'clock it was packed. Now it says that I've been active for 3 hours and 42 minutes. I do have another order that is pending here. That one was for about $24. So say, based on basically 4 hours, I've made $75. But see, they don't include your drive time and all of that. So a little bit under $20 an hour, a little bit. But if you really factor in all the drive time and all that kind of stuff, today I made probably about $18 an hour. And from what I've seen, a lot of people saying that they making like $30 an hour or whatever the case. But you know, you have to get those large batches, and today people were swiping them batches up. You know, at one point I was sitting in the parking lot of the store just waiting for something to come up. I've only been doing it for about 2 weeks now, but let me just say, my phone, when I first signed up, it was just dinging, telling me about all the available orders to shop. Like here's one right now for Costco. I'm done. Like, oh, you see how quick that went? You see? I didn't even get a chance to swipe it or nothing. That sucker was gone. That was $36. Those are the type of orders that you need in order to net the type of money that people are saying that they netting. I'm seeing people saying they making between $500 to $800 a week. I don't have time to do it all week. My goal was to maybe work about 10 hours a week doing this. I done did 4 of those hours today. I'll probably do 4 or 5 hours tomorrow. That's it. I didn't work any more during the week. This is just a little extra spending money. My goal really is to make an extra $800 to $1,200 a month with this, and that's it. So, you know, early bird gets the worm. So I will be up bright and early tomorrow, because I remember one time I got up, there was an order for $78 at Costco. Now, if I could have had something like that, and I have a little car, so I did clean the car out today, but if I can get up and snap one of those orders and like 2 or 3 of the $20 or better orders, then I will have met my goal for this week. No, I wouldn't, but I'd be close, you know. So anyway, but it's worth getting out, and I was able to get out of the house. But Lord, the quarantine is over. I mean, there's no room in any store to do 6 feet. That's another reason why I'm stopping, because I actually don't have nothing to do. If I had something to do, then it'll be a different story. I got something to do later on tonight, but I don't have nothing to do. So I was going to try to go a couple more hours, but them stores are too crowded. You can't do your little 6 feet apart and all of that. So, but anyway, so I'm out, y'all. And, you know, I didn't show y'all much, but just so you can see what you can earn with Instacart. Maybe I'll take y'all out on another day when I've actually did well, because this ain't good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add to this video, and I'm for tomorrow, so you can see my combined total for today and tomorrow. All right, until then. Okay, y'all, so it is Sunday, and I am pulling into the parking lot of Sprouts. I managed to snag an order for $35. Woohoo! But that's 2 people, though. But at least it's $35. They both only have about 10 items, which means I'll probably have to drive far, but that's okay. So I snapped an order for that. I'm getting ready to start shopping for them. Hopefully, I can make $200 or better today. All right, so I will get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I did a batch. It took me about an hour to shop. So a full, because there were 2 orders, so it took me an hour and a half. I made $34. So I think I have to wait until it posts to see if it went lower, because I had to put some items back. Anytime you put items back, your tip normally is affected. So I gotta see, because I put like 1 or 2 items back that I couldn't find. So anyway, so I'm off to a good start. That's still about 20 something an hour. I'm trying to get up to, like some people are saying, they making $30 an hour. And in order to do that, you'd have to have an order of at least $35 and shop it in 40 minutes and do your delivery in 20 minutes to get an average hourly rate of about 30. So I haven't gotten to that point yet because I've been going into different stores. Sorry about this lighting. My lighting keep going in and out. But anyway, because I'm going into different stores and all of that, it's just that I don't know the layout, and a lot of items I'm having issues finding. So that is the negative part about doing this, is that it's spending a lot of time in the stores. Like, I know the store by my house, so it's like I know exactly where things are at. That would be the routes. Yesterday I also did Food for Less for the first time, and that wasn't too bad. But it seems like my shopping time is between 40 minutes to an hour or so, depending on how many items that I have. So anyway, so that's it. So I'm gonna keep on going and see if I can make this goal. I'm not sure. It's now 10 o'clock, 9:40 basically. So I've been at it an hour and a half. I only want to work until about 1 o'clock today. It's Sunday. I want to relax and chill. So whatever I could do is what I could do. All right, so I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye. All right, y'all. It is 1:56. I've been home for about 20 minutes ago. So let's say 1:30. So I technically work from 8 to 1:30, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So 5.5 hours, right? So this is my earnings from today and yesterday. Yesterday I worked, I believe, about 4 hours or so. Let me check the app and see, so you can see too. Let's see here. Earnings. Alright, so that's that. So yesterday, I'm trying to get it where you guys could see it. So yesterday I earned $76, right? That was 5 hours and 4 minutes. So if I take 76 divided by 5.04, basically yesterday I made $15 an hour. So today, let me go back. Today I made $93 for the same amount of time. So same amount of time, 93.11 divided by 5.02. So I made $18 an hour today. But if I take the 504 and the 502, so I worked a total of 10 hours today. I mean, this weekend total. And I'm going to divide, so 10 hours and 6 minutes, 169.72 divided by 1006. So we're looking at, I'm averaging about $16 an hour, which is not bad for a part-time job or a little gig. It's not bad at all, but I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of work. It's only 1 o'clock. I still have the most of the day available to me if I want to do something. But yeah, so that's my Instacart journey for this weekend. I'm sure as I learn the stores, I will be able to increase my revenue. Part of this is because there have been with some items I literally got stuck on both days. So that means that I'm not available to take on a new order if I am still at the same store. So I'm sure as I get better at this is only my second week doing it. Last week, I don't know if you see that or not. Last week I made 185 and I probably worked less hours. Yeah, so that's it. So that's where we're at, guys. If you're thinking about doing Instacart, I'm going to put my link down below if you want to go ahead and sign up. Now, you have to pass a background check. I know they don't hire even if it's a DUI within the last 7 years. They're really sticklers for just about everything. So just keep that in mind when you do sign up and go from there. I hope that this was informative to you, because at the end of the day, if you really think about it, I can earn $200 a weekend. That's an extra $800 a month. What I'm seeing is I probably need to be working a minimum of 6 hours on a weekend if I'm gonna do it that route versus 2 or 3 hours. Like maybe I might this upcoming week only work like 2 or 3 hours a day instead of trying to get it all in one day. So we'll see how this upcoming week goes. But let me know if you're interested in this and how I can help you get started. Thanks again for watching my channel. I appreciate you, and Tonya is out.